We're here today at the Forge Biologics headquarters, and we have gathered the team together today for our flag-raising ceremony. Forge Biologics is a rare disease-focused gene therapy medicine development company. We have two parts to our business. One will manufacture gene therapies for client companies, and the other is our internal gene therapy development company that will make therapeutics for patients. If we can help to accelerate and turn these medicines from an idea or a concept into reality, these can now be tested in patients and come forward into real therapeutics that can benefit people's lives. We all come from such diverse backgrounds, but I think what unites us here together today under the Forge flag is our shared commitment and passion for working to bring hope to patients with rare disease.